Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to select all tables at once in Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. This technique is extremely useful when you want to format, copy, move or edit multiple tables together in reports, assignments, invoices, forms and professional documents. Many users manually select tables one by one, which is time consuming and can lead to inconsistent formatting. In this video, we will discover smart professional methods to select tables instantly without missing any. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here assignment. Now we can see already added a table. Now I create another table. Go to the insert menu, select the table option and create another table. Then create again another table. Then we can see here three table. Now you want to select the table at once, you can select two way, like you can select the table first table, then press and hold shift, then select the second table. Now you can see we select the all table easily. Otherwise you can select, press Ctrl A on your keyboard. We can see we select the table easily. Otherwise you can drag on your mouse to select the table. You can copy the table, press Ctrl C. Otherwise you can paste another document, press Ctrl V. Now we can see we copy the table and paste it very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.